Hi, hello everyone. Today I will talk about how to complete a recipe calculation. Today we will have a creamy rice recipe calculation. And here is the information we have. First, for the ingredient, the rice. This is the cooked rice. Volume measure is here 500 milliliters equals to 500 grams. This is the calculation part I have. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. Now we have 4 liters for 50 servings, so 4 liters equal to 4000 milliliters. And because 1 milliliters is equal to 1 gram, so the 4000 milliliters is equal to 4000 grams. Other than that, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So this unit 40 kilogram is equal to 4000 grams. For the calculation, exactly is the 4000 grams here, which is the 4 liter, 50 servings, times the cost 37.23, and then divided by the unit 40 kilograms, which is 40,000 grams. The calculation after that is 3.723. And if we take 2 decimal places, it is 3.72. And because the rice is a cooked rice, as we mentioned before, it will double in size after cooked. So we need to use the cost divided by 2, which is the answer is 1.86. Then I will try to type in the calculation in the Excel file. The cost is, you can see my calculation equation here. It is equal to 4000 times 37.23 divided by 40,000, which is this equation here, and then divided by 2, and this is my equation here. After I press the enter, the cost is 1.86, which is the same as the handwriting calculation. And I wanted to advise how to use the round up here, because when I increase the decimal place here, you can see 1.8615. This is 4 decimal place. This is automatically calculated by the Excel. But if we need to have the 2 decimal place, we need to round up here. Round this equation, and then comma 2. We need to have 2 decimal place. Then close bracket. Then you will see that the answer will be 1.86 for 2 decimal place here. This is very useful because if we need to have a more complicated calculation here, the Excel will add all the information. For example, add this one and this one together. If the decimal place in the Excel will be 4 decimal place, it will be affect the number which at the last 2 decimal place we need. Okay, then I move back this one to 2 decimal place here, and then I try to explain other calculation. This is the second part, the milk. 1 liter, the unit is the same as here, so we can calculate directly. 1 liter times price, which is 29.79. I have write a wrong information before, but I type in correctly now, and then divided by 20 liters. The calculation is 1.489, and after round up it is 1.49. I type in the calculation here, equals to 1 times 29.79 divided by 20 liters. The answer here is 1.5 because I have selected wrong decimal place here. So I can change it back. Then this is 1.49. Okay. And then I calculate the third one. Salt. The volume measurement is 500 milliliters equals to 500 grams. The servings, 50 servings is 10 milliliters, and the unit is, price per unit is in kilogram. So we need to have the transformation of the unit. I will change all of them into grams. So 10 milliliters is equal to 10 grams, and 2 kilograms is equals to 2000 grams. Then I have the calculation. 10 grams here, the servings, times 1.3, the cost, and divided by the per unit 2 kilograms equals to 2000 grams here. So the answer is 0.006, and after 2 decimal place change, it is 0.01. And I type in the calculation here, equals to 10 times 1.3 divided by 2000. Okay, so the cost is the same, 0.01. The next one, number 4, is the sugar. Volume measurement is 550 milliliters is equal to 500 grams. Serving is 500 milliliters, and price per unit is using kilograms here. So I have something changed to grams here. 500 milliliters changed to grams is equals to 500 milliliters times 500 grams divided by 550 milliliters. Then this milliliters can can cross out with this milliliters, and then we have the calculation. 500 times 500 divided by 550. Then the answer is 454.545, which is gram. And 200 kilograms is equal to 20,000 grams. The calculation is 454.545 grams times the cost 29.75 divided by the kilo per unit, which is 20,000 grams. The answer is 0.676, and after 2 decimal place is 0.68. And then I type in the calculation here, times 26.75 divided by 20,000 grams. And this is the answer, 0.68. And then I calculated the fifth one. Because 1 dozen is 12 eggs, so the calculation is 12, the serving size, times the cost divided by the unit 1 dozen, which is 12 now. The answer is 1.29. The calculation is 12 times 1.29 divided by 12. The answer is 1.29. And then the next one, vanilla is for taste. So this is 0 for the cost. This is 0, 1. And then for this number 7, resins, volume measure is 50 milliliters, equal to 500 grams. Serving is in milliliters. The price per unit is in kilograms, so I change all of them into grams. For the milliliters to grams, 750 milliliters. Here, we need to change to grams, so we need to times 500 grams divided by 750 milliliters. Then, this 2 milliliters unit will cross out. After calculation, it is equal to 500 grams. And for the 20 kilograms, is equal to 20,000 grams. For the equation, 500 grams, this one it should be 750. Oh, sorry, this is 500 grams here. Use this one, 500 grams times 45.75 divided by the 20,000 grams. And the final answer is 1.143. And after 2 decimal places, it is 1.14. I type in the calculation equation here, 500 times 45.75 divided by 20,000, which is 1.14, which is the same as the handwriting calculation. And then I will talk about how to calculate other things. First, this is the total cost. Total cost is sum up of this information, this cost here, which is equals to sum, open bracket, and select these costs here, and then close bracket, enter, which is 6.47, which is the same as this one. This is the handwrite calculations. And then the 5% waste, this one is equal to 6.47 times 5%. The number is 0.32, which is the same as the calculation. This is the 5% waste, which is the total cost times the percentage. And the answer is here. For the next one, total recipe. Total recipe is the total cost add the 5% waste, which is 6.47, add 0.32, which is 6.79. I type in here 6.47 plus 0.32. This is the total recipe cost, 6.79. And the portion cost is the total recipe divided by the servings. 50 servings here for this scenario. So the answer is 0.135, and 2 decimal place is 0.14. I type in here 6.79 divided by 50. It is 0.14. Okay. For the last one, we need to calculate the food cost for 30% selling price. This one is 0.14 here, which is this portion cost, times 100 divided by 30, which is 30%. Then after calculation, 0.14 times 100 divided by 30, the answer is 0.47, which is the same as the handwriting calculation. This is the end of my calculation advice here. Thank you very much.